But this isn't a friendly firefly, it's a deadly trap. The anglerfish uses a built-in fishing rod on its head with a luminous lure at the end. This light is created by millions of glowing bacteria living in a symbiotic relationship with the fish. Small, unsuspecting fish are drawn to this mysterious glow, thinking it's an easy meal. But as they get closer, massive jaws snap shut, and it's game over. It's an incredible hunting strategy perfected for a life of total darkness. What a wild way to find dinner. Thanks for watching. If you found this as cool as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep sea wonders.